Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's project. First I'm gonna take this lemon that I have on a wire and I'm gonna cut a V shape to the side of it just like that. I'm gonna cut it, just trying to get my exacto. That's not an X-Acto knife, that's a box cutter. I'm taking my box cutter deep inside my lemon but not going all the way through. It's like cutting deep but not cutting it all. Yeah, it's hard to explain. You will see it a little bit later. And I'm gonna cut that V shape and now I'm gonna start, after I cut it really nicely like that, I'm gonna start peeling off that foam from the side just like that. We're gonna peel that piece of foam, and after we remove that piece, you're gonna see that we have some sort of a mouth. And if you saw the thumbnail, we are making a, oh my gosh, I forgot the name. My son gave me the name, but I know that plant eats flies and I cannot remember what else. So a man-eating plant. But this one is vegetarian, so she will eat only other plants. Oh, that's cannibalism. No, she is on a diet. Now I'm taking that leaf green and I'm gonna paint it, like dabbing it on. Yeah, we're doing makeup on this beautiful plant. And I'm gonna dab it on that lemon so I can get two different colors, like a lighter green and a deeper green. You will see the effect that we get after it dries. Now I repeat it with all my lemons, and now I'm taking that watermelon color and painting the insides of the mouth of my plant. I'm using a sponge brush, but then I'm gonna move on to using a paintbrush because I want everything to be covered really nicely so we can get that mouth kind of effect. And we're gonna continue painting and removing all of that extra foam so it doesn't look like it has cavities, all of that on its teeth. And we're gonna continue painting just like that. Yeah, if you can hear some noise, my neighbors are having a little bit too much fun. Now I'm just painting the lips. You know, she needs her lipstick, so we are adding some lipstick and making it cute. And then when we have her lipstick done, like that, we're gonna repeat it on all of them, let them dry, and take some of that sturdy felt. You can use also foam, you can use poster board, whatever you have at hand. And I'm taking those pieces, adding a little bit of hot glue on my low temp. I forgot to give myself a manicure, so don't look at my nails. And just add some hot glue and then add them to the mouth of our plant. And she's the cutest, creepiest thing ever. Hi, I forgot. Yeah, she's a eating thingy. Now we have a name for her. She's the eating thingy. And look at that, she's the cutest eating thingy. This is part of the Heidi Sonboul's DIY challenge, and this one is the Halloween and Fall edition. I'm so happy and excited because I love both of them. Yeah, Fall and Halloween. And in the description box down below, you're gonna find a link for Heidi Sonboul's channel and also for the playlist for this month challenge. Go and check everyone out. If you like modern farmhouse and boho decor and a couple of silly jokes, as you have heard by now, subscribe because that's what I do here. And now that we have everything ready, we're gonna start assembling our plant. And for that, I'm using a terracotta pot, some leaves, foam, and also our heads. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some foam and just fill our terracotta pot with it. Just tear some pieces of that and throw them in there. Place them really nicely. If you need, add some hot glue so they can stick together and stick to the pot. And continue adding them until you fill your pot. Then we're gonna add a little bit of hot glue so they stay together, like that. And I want you to really see how we make this, so that's why you're seeing it on the actual time without cutting or just making it go faster. Because this is really easy. And now I'm gonna cut this piece of foliage. That's how it's called. You can find it at Walmart. I'm gonna take the tag off. First of all, I have my hands all painted, and I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna cut the excess of wire like that, just bending it a couple of times and it will break. And then after I cut it, I'm gonna stick it in the center of my foam, just like that. Then I'm gonna fluff it a bit, not too much, just a little bit, because we're gonna add all of those leaves also. So we're gonna fluff it like that. And then we're gonna start adding our leaves. We're gonna add them all around it so we cannot see that foam. And as you can see, I'm taking my time adding my leaves so I can have a full look all around the pot. And we continue adding. I added 6 of those in total. And we add the last one. I'm playing around with it. Then I'm gonna add, no, that wasn't the last one. It's this one. We're gonna add the last one. Yeah, that's the last one. And after we add that one, we're gonna start placing. Look at that. It's a full plant. And we're gonna start placing our plant heads, creepy faces on there. But as I figured out, I have to remove that wire, and I removed it. And now I'm just taking the cap from one of my branches from the big bush from the big bush or plant, or you know, the pick we use. And I'm adding that with a little bit of hot glue and then bending my wire so it looks to the front like so. Now I'm gonna repeat the process with another one of those branches, and I'm gonna remove the wire, and the struggle is real, so you just hold it and pull really nice. And then add hot glue and repeat the same steps. You just add your lemon to the top. Lemon, no, it's not a lemon anymore. It's a plant. And now bend it, and that will be it. Play around with your foliage a little bit more to make it look like you want to. And you will have a beautiful, cute, creepy plant. Look at that. If you want to get to know me a little bit better, or maybe ask me something, I'm gonna be on the Head-to-Head DIY Challenge, hosted by Craftilini and co-hosted by DIY with Nadia. So, you know, Saturday, 7 p.m., be there. And this is how my beautiful plants turned out. Look at that, they are so cute. I'm so in love. Yeah, they're not cute. They are creepy, kinda cute. I just love them. They are so perfect for my Halloween decor for this year. I'm loving them. Look at that. They look so realistic, or maybe not. But they are too cute. Well, creepy cute. And remember that in the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link for the playlist and also to Heidi's channel. Go and check everyone out because I know you're gonna find lots of beautiful inspiration. And look at that, this is the other one. So creepy cute. And remember that if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.